Nakakahaway ko sa
Alam ko, mahihayin kayo pumalakpak. Pwede bang marinig ang palakpakan nila? Thank you very much. You're wonderful indeed.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we go on, sometimes we have foreigners in the crowd,
Yeah.
and we're using our own language, and they don't understand what we're saying. So, partner, could you please explain to them what's going on the stage right now?
Yes, if we have some foreigners around, and I believe we have,
Yes,
I'm sorry you don't understand what we're saying here because we choose to cater Filipino audience here and abroad.
that's right.
But anyway, there's nothing to worry because we paid in peso anyway. Pre, kung
Anong pwede peso?
pag dollar din ang...
Pareho.
Sandali kapatid.
Bakit?
Pinapansin ako. Sir, pasensya na po kayo, but...
Ayun ako salamin?
Yeah, oo.
Kaibigan natin yan eh.
Ganyan?
Oh, bakit? Ano napansin mo?
Yeah, sa panipis na panipis sa buhay. Huwag mo itulak!
Sabi ko mga kaibigan natin, pinira mo pa eh.
Hindi sila tinira kanina ito ng mga... Tinitira na natin.
Yung foreigner, I think we have a foreigner.
Yes. Excuse me, sir. Do you speak Tagalog or something? Where are you from? Chicago. Oh, that's good. Your daughter?
Uy! Anong daughter?
Kinilig naman siya. So, how long have you been in the Philippines? Pardon me, sir? You're still single?
She is?
How about you? You're double. Okay. So, how long have you been in the Philippines? 6 months? And how do you find the Philippines? Did you find it?
Uy! Ano pa yung mga tanong mo? Nakakaya ka?
Mali!
Sir, excuse my friend. Are you staying for good? No good.
Oh, walang yan.
Eh, puro kakalokohan eh.
Do you understand what we're saying here? Yeah? What is it? A little bit? No, just a little.
Just a little.
Okay. Now, can you help me on this? I want to ask a question, okay?
Oh, English, ha?
Yeah, of course. Because
Baka mapusan ka.
he's paying dollar. Can you define heredity and environment for me? Can you do that for me? Can you define heredity and environment? Heredity and environment. Can you define it? Yeah. What is heredity? What you're born with, right?
Right.
How about environment?
Oh, very long.
Wala pa.
Akala ko yung sinabi na.
Your surroundings. How about the figure of plus gentleman over here?
Yes. Very nice definition.
But you know, sir, I have a definition, other definition about that. Okay, environment is when your son, heredity is when your son look like you, right? Environment is when your son looks like you.
Uy! Eh, po. Puro ka lang makalokohan eh.
Okay, I like Chicago, especially Illinois. It's a very windy place, right? Windy.
What part of Chicago are you from, sir?
What part of Chicago?
Downtown.
You're the
I thought you're from Chicago Bulls. Hindi ba kung Bulls?
Okay, so aside from friend from
I have a
Chicago,
definition.
Yeah.
What's the difference of text and texting, not texting?
yun, parang
Hindi, busy kasi sa gabi, text and text eh. Ma'am, mabusa kayo ng load. Mamaya na yun. Makuno kayo.
So our friend from Chicago.
Yes, palakpakan pa natin. Did you get his name?
What's your name, sir? I'm sorry. Rich.
Rich.
Can you please stand up so people may see you? Okay. Come on.
Rich.
Come on.
Let them.
You please stand up.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Nakakatingin na siya, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, Lord.
Hoy!
You can walk in.
Hoy! Hindi prayer na dito. Ano ka ba? Ba't yung tao
I
niloko
thought
mo
you
pa?
prayer rally. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm carried away. You know.
Kalokohan eh. Do we have any balikbayans tonight? Could you open the house lights, please?
Please.
Yan ba house lights?
Yeah. So do we have any balikbayans around?
Do we have? Don't be afraid. Afraid. Don't be afraid. Wala ba?
Tayo?
Where you first? Where you country come back from? Saan kayo galing, ma'am?
Francisco, California.
Oh, San Francisco.
Bay Area.
Yeah, the Bay Area. Okay. That's
We've been there in San Francisco.
Yeah, just 2 months ago. You've seen me. Yeah. Did you go to Ichiban? Ichiban?
Yung show tayo.
Yeah.
You saw us when we had a show in Solita's restaurant? Oh, sabi siya,
Did you see me? Actually, ako lang nakita
Ang
yun.
gulo eh.
Did you see me there? You don't see me. Ako lang nakita. Well, anyway, aside from friend from San Francisco, meron pa ba tayo? The reason why we are acknowledging these people, ladies.
Yes. You know, about 4 or 5 years ago, we had series of shows in America, You know, like we had a show in Hollywood, a 1204, yung formerly Bayanihan Restaurant.
Yes.
We had a show in LA at Normandy Casino.
Yeah.
At San Francisco, Solitas Restaurant. We had a show in San Diego, Santa Maria, Vallejo. Uy, alam mo sa Vallejo, may nalala ko riyan.
Bakit?
Yun know, kasi mga kaibigan, one time in Vallejo, pinasyal po ako ng Filipino promoter namin.
Aha.
Sabi ko, wow pare, ang ganda pa ng Vallejo, no? Sabi niya, Porky, careful. Bakit? Kasi dito sa Vallejo, pag double L, ang pronunciation niyan, Vallejo.
Oh.
Bakit Vallejo? Kasi double L eh.
Oh, that's why.
Nagre-reso ko sa hotel. Bigla akong naging yung phone. Eh, siyempre sinagot ko, heyo, who's calling? Sabi ng boss ko, yuko. Tapos nagsila kami sa Washington DC.
Yeah.
Malapit sa White House yan eh.
Of course.
Palibasa day, first time dala ko yung Kodak ko, takbo ko ng Washington. Kodak dito, Kodak doon. Hindi ko alam, may negrong guardian, laki ng katawan.
Wow.
Kanina pa pala ako tinitignan. Hindi nakapis. Hey you! Sabi ko, what? Sabi ni negro, umutya pa akong dumuming. How? Say what? Umutya pa akong dumuming.
Ano raw?
Say what? Huwag mong tapakan yung damumin. Hukin na. Kala ko Tagalog pala yun. Tapos nagsuho kami sa Australia,
Sydney.
Sydney, kung saan ginawa yung Olympic.
Yeah.
As usual, Kodak na naman. Nung naglalakad ako, nakakita ko na isang tao sa gitna ng kalye. Putol ang dalawang kamay, sayaw pa ng sayaw. At mukhang Pilipino. Sabi ko, tignan mo itong taong to. May kapansanan at lahat, ang saya-saya pa.
Oo naman.
Hindi ako nakatis, nalapitan ko. Excuse me, sir. Are you Filipino? Bakit, Brad? Brad, huwag ka magagalit, no? Sa lahat na nakita ko may kapansanan, ikaw pang ang saya-saya. Hindi ako masaya. May kapansanan na nga ako, ba't ako maging masaya? Eh, hindi ka masaya, ba't sayo ka na sayaw? Ba? Hindi ako sumasayaw, ha? Eh, ba't ganun kanina pa? Eh, kasi ako, kanina pa ako makatita. Pwede ba kita? Sinipa ako. Eh, si Raul, pagpakamag mo sa akin yun.
All right.